In this section of my video, we will be going through the concept of chapter number 13, Magnetic Effects of Current, NCERT for class 10th, and the name of the topic is Electromagnetic Induction. Now, what is electromagnetic induction? Before going through the concept of electromagnetic induction, let us go through that. Before this topic, we have gone through the concept of magnetic effects of current, which says that a moving current can create a magnetic field. Electromagnetic induction is a reverse concept, which says that a magnetic field can also induce a current. Michael Faraday, while performing an experiment going through the concept of electromagnetic induction, involved a simple experiment and explained this phenomena that magnetic field is not the only requirement for the production of current. There should be a time varying magnetic field. That is, a magnetic field should change with time in order to produce a current and induce an EMF in the circuit. We will be going to know this with the help of an experiment. Let us go through the simple definition of electromagnetic induction. As the basic definition of electromagnetic induction says, it is the simple phenomena of generating an EMF by changing the number of magnetic lines of force. So this is an important parameter, an important concept, that the magnetic field which is associated with a coil should change with time. So the changing the number of magnetic lines of force associated with the conductor is called as electromagnetic induction, and the EMF so induced by this process is known as induced EMF, and current produced by this concept can be known as induced current. Now let us perform the small experiment helping to know how a current is formed. This was the experiment which has been explained by Michael Faraday. As you can observe that Michael Faraday arranged a small circuit consisting of a coil, an MCG or a moving coil galvanometer. As a moving coil galvanometer is an electrical device which can give the direction of current as well as the magnitude of current in any circuit. So if the current in the circuit is changing its direction, we can also observe that the deflection in MCG is again different. Michael Faraday, when moved this magnet towards the coil and magnet away from the coil, he observed that while moving the magnet towards the coil and away from the coil, he is changing the amount of magnetic field which is linked with the coil. And by doing these two activities, he observed that once the direction of deflection in this needle is towards that side, and on changing the direction of motion of the magnet, the direction of deflection in the needle is also changing. As I have just said that MCG is a current sensitive device. Whenever a current flows in the circuit, it gives a deflection in a particular direction. So as we can observe that by simply changing the magnetic field associated with the coil, there is a small current which is induced in the circuit. So this concept of changing the magnetic field or the lines of forces associated with the conductor and the production of induced current is known as electromagnetic induction. So very simple concept, that the production of current by simply changing the magnetic lines of force or magnetic field associated with the conductor is known as EMI. One important point to be noted down is that there should always be a change in magnetic field. A constant or uniform magnetic field does not induce any current. I hope you have understood this topic well. Thank you.